She said, "Do you want the forte? Do you want the strong olive oil or do you want the regular?" I was like, "Oh, I want the forte." I'm
The
telling you,
forte
this
is
was months
forte.
ago, and she's probably still laughing because this olive oil is so bitter that even when I cook it, the bitterness, it still makes me cough. That's how strong it is. And
Yeah.
I was talking to Giovanna about it. I was like, "What do I do?" And she's like, "Put it in your garage for a year, close it
Yeah.
up and just leave it." But yeah, it's a bitterness that's full of antioxidants and all good things. So I'm actually
Yeah.
still trying to eat it, not on salads.